Time tracking is a powerful tool for optimizing agency workflows, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use it to streamline your processes and boost productivity. Whether you're managing projects, teams, or client work, getting time tracking right can make all the difference in your agency's efficiency. First, let's talk about why time tracking matters for agencies. As an agency, you're likely juggling multiple projects and clients at the same time. Without clear insights into how much time is spent on each task, it's easy for work to slip through the cracks, or worse, overrun your budgets. Time tracking helps you keep everything on track and ensures you're using your resources efficiently. It's essential for understanding what's working, where you're losing time, and what needs improvement. Now, let's dive into the specifics of setting up time tracking for agency workflows. The first step is choosing the right software. We've tested a few of the most popular time tracking tools out there, and while each has its strengths, the software we'll be using in this tutorial is one of the best for agencies, mainly because of its intuitive interface and powerful features. And because you're watching this, we've got an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below, so you can follow along with this tutorial. Once you have the software set up, you can start by creating projects and tasks. Each project should be broken down into specific tasks that your team can work on. This is key. Without a clear breakdown, you won't know where time is being spent. Organizing tasks ensures that everyone knows exactly what they're working on and how to track their time accurately. Now let's talk about tracking time. The software allows you to either track time manually or use automatic tracking for certain tasks. With automatic tracking, your software will start recording time as soon as you start working on a task, and it will stop when you're done. This minimizes errors and saves you from having to remember to track time after each task. Manual tracking, on the other hand, allows you to enter time manually if needed, perfect for clients or tasks where automatic tracking might not be feasible. One of the most powerful features in time tracking software is reporting. Once you've been tracking time for a while, you can generate reports to see exactly where your time is going. Are you spending too much time on one project? Are some team members overwhelmed, while others are underutilized? Reports will give you insights into your team's efficiency, client costs, and more. Additionally, setting up reminders and time limits on tasks is a great way to keep your team focused. Use these features to make sure tasks don't drag on longer than necessary. If you're working with a budget, you can even set up alerts to notify you when you're getting close to your time or financial limits. Finally, let's talk about integration. Make sure your time tracking software integrates with your project management tools, your invoicing system, and anything else you use in your workflow. This ensures that you don't have to manually transfer data from one tool to another, saving you time and reducing errors. The key takeaway here is that time tracking is not just about tracking hours. It's about using the data to improve your agency's workflow and productivity. By breaking down tasks, automating where possible, and using insights from reports, you can make smarter decisions and ensure that your team is working as efficiently as possible. To recap, choose the right software, break projects into tasks, track time automatically or manually, generate insightful reports, and use integrations to keep everything connected. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along and start improving your agency's time tracking today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.